Alright, 1910-120. Appendixes to 1910-120 Hazardous Waste Operation Emergency Response. Note the following appendices serve the non-mandatory guidelines as if the employees with the employer to comply with the parameter requirements for this section. However, the paragraph 1910-120G make it mandatory certain circumstances for use of the level A and level B personal protective equipment and protection. Appendix A, 1910-120 Personal Protective Equipment Test Method. The appendix set forth a non-mandatory example of the test which may be used to evaluate compliance with 1910-120 G4, 2, and 3 are the tests other challenges agents may be used to evaluate compliance of the A, totally consult the encapsulating chemical protective suit pressure test. Scope. This practice measure the ability of the gas type total encapsulation chemical exuded material seem the closer to maintain fixed possessive the pressure of the result of the practical allowable gas type of the integrity of the total encapsulation chemical protective suit to be evaluated resistant of the suited material of the permutation penetration degradation special life of the substance is not determined in test method definition. It turns totally encapsulated chemical protective suit means the fully garment with its constructed protective clothing material to cover the waist wears torso head the arm legs the respirator may cover the wears hands and feet the tightly and attached glove of the boots and completely over the wear with the respirator with itself with the combination wear gloves and boots protective clothing material being the aim of the material combination of materials used in all items and any item clothing purpose of the isolating of the parts of the body, the direct contact with the potential heavy liquid, gas chemicals, gas type of being for the purpose of the test method limits flow of the gas under pressure for the institute inside the TECP suit with the atmosphere pressure, prescribed pressure time interval summary test method. Total encapsulated chemical protective suit with a visually inspected the bonafide the test apparatus attached to the suit with a permanent inflation to the pre-test suit expansion of the pressure for the removal of the suit with the wrinkles creases with the pressure is low over the test pressure from the line, but the 3 minutes of the pressure through the valve and the total encapsulated chemical protective suit fail the test and remove from the strip of the test is remove the after leak of the after location and repair required to apply the store of the compressed air test to apparatus suit the device. Suit testing including the pressure measurement of the device with the sensitivity less than a quarter-inch water gave the vent valve closure plugs and sealing tape with the soap water solution, software stopwatch, appropriate timely device safety precautions, care show, but take with the provide the corrective pressure of the safety device required with the sort of the compressed air use test pressure. Prior to each of the tests, tester should perform visual inspection, check the suit with the integrity visual examination, same and gently pulling the seam to ensure the air supply with the lines of the device are securing no sign of deterioration. Seal vent valves along with any of the form non-informed inlet exhaust points of the umbilical air line fitting with the face of the place opening with the tape of the other apparatus, meaning with the caps, plugs, fixtures, etc. Care should be contrived with the sealing process not to damage any of the suit components. Closure to closure. Close all closure. Assembly pressure. Prepare a suit with the inflation. Provide with the improper provide the connection point with the suit with the connection airline. Attack with the pressure test apparatus. Suit with the permit. The suit inflation compressed air sources with the pressure indicating regulation of light and tightness of the pressure tip of the apparatus should be tested before and after the age of the testing, closing off the end of the tubing attached to the suit and ensuring the pressure of the 3 inches water gauge for the can be maintained. If the component removed from the test, the component shall be replaced with the second test conducted with another component removed to permit the complete test assembly. The pre-test expansion pressure gauge A of the test suitable test pressure B the suit supply the suit of a manufacturer, but there in no case shall there be less than 3 inches of water gauge, 2 inches of water gauge, and suit pressure of the C shall be not less than 80% of the test pressure, i.e. the pressure drop should not exceed 20% of the test pressure. Inflate the suit with the pressure of the inside of the equal pressure of the pre-test expansion that's suitable all last 1 minute with the fill out of the wrinkles in suit with the release of sufficient air to reduce the suit pressure. Pressure B, the suit test pressure for the begin timing period at the end of the 3 minutes of the core. Suit pressure for the pressure C with the suit pressure for the difference between the suit pressure ending with the half of the pressure B. To define with the suit pressure drop. If the suit pressure drops more than 20% of the suit pressure during a 3-minute test period, the suit failed with the test and shall be removed from sort of the retest procedure. The suit failed with the test check with the leak of the inflating suit pressure A, brushing and wipe the entire suit with the included same with the closure leak gaskets, the gloves, the sleeve, the joint with the mild soap with the water solution. Observe the suit for the information soap with the bubble indicating the leak of the repair of the indication of the leak. Retest the totally encapsulated chemical pressure suit with the outline of the test procedure 6. 8. Report the test total encapsulated chemical pressure suit. It is practical that shall have the following information recorded: unique identification number to identify brand name, date of the purchase material, the construction, unique fit, and features, specific being apparatus. The actual valve of the test pressure A, B, and C shall be recorded along with specific observation time at the end of the pressure C with 80% of the test pressure A, B with the shuffle identify the failing of the possible the specific location identified by the test record. The record pressure of the dash shall be recorded with additional tests. The errors for the test apparatus should be identified sensitive to the pressure gauge shall be recorded. Record shall be kept that each of the pressure tests evenly with the repairs at the beginning of the test. Caution: visual inspection of all the parts of the suit with the position correctly with the secure with the tightly putting into the suit back into the suit. The care should be taken and examine the exhaust valve. Make sure that it does not block. Care should be exercised inside and outside of the suit with it completely dry before it goes into storage. Be totally encapsulated chemical soup qualitative leakage test scope of the project for the semi-qualitative with the test for the gas type. Total encapsulated chemical protective soup with integrity of the detecting inward leaking ammonia vapor so none of the applications are minded necessary suit to carry out. The test the result of the practical provide with the realistic integrity and entirety suit. Resistance of the suit material of the evaporation, permeation, penetration, degradation, terminated with the test method. ASCM test method available to the test suit with the material of the characters. The tests are usually conducted with the manufacturer's suit. The defined terms totally encapsulated chemical means a fully garment constructed with the protective clothing cover the wear torso, head, arm, legs, respirator may cover the wearers and hand and feet with the attached glove with the boots. Complete enclosure wear respirator for itself with the combination wear gloves and boots. The protective clothing material aimed at the material of the combination material of the item of the clip for the purpose of isolating the body with direct contact with the utensil has the liquid and gas chemicals. Alright, gas type means the purpose of the test method of the limited flow of the gas under the pressure, with the inside of the total encapsulated chemical pursuit, the atmosphere for the prescribed pressure for the time interval intrusion coefficient means the number of the compressing level of the protection provided by the gas height and total encapsulated protective suit with the intrusion coefficient calculated dividing the test room of the challenging agent with the concentration channel with the agent found inside of the suit. The accuracy intrusion coefficient depending on the channel of the monitoring method, the larger the intrusion coefficient, the greater the protection provided with the total encapsulated protection suit. Some are recommended with the volume of the concentrated aqueous and ammonia solution hydrogen oxide and required with the generated test atmosphere to determine the direction outside of the 6-1. The suit is donned by the person wearing with the appropriate respiratory equipment. The positive for the pressure self-contained and breathing apparatus with the positive pressure supply of the air respirator worn inside of the enclosed test report. Test room, the concentrated aqueous ammonia solution taken within the suit involved into the test of the room with the poured into the open plastic pan. The 2-minute evaporation period during the test room with the concentration measuring the high range of ammonia length strain detector tube with the ammonia vapor to reach the concentration of 1,200 parts per million suited with the individual starts in the standardized exercise protocol strap the flexible seal with the protocol is complete with the test room with the concentration is measured given the suited individual exists. Test room is strained by the person measuring the ammonia concentration inside of the UV the large ammonia length with the strain detector tube. The other more sensitive immunity detectors. Standby required to observe the individual during the test procedure with the person dining with the doffing with the total encapsulation protective suit. Total encapsulated chemical pressure suit with a reminder of the chemical protective suit. Interior, the intrusion coefficient can be calculated by dividing the average test the concentration interior concentration column metric ammonia inside strip of the bromo ethanol blue with equivalent in play for the inside of the suit for the place length of the suit individual able to detect color chain to know if the suit is significantly with the color chain with the observer the individual shell has to leave the test room and immediately required to supply with concentrated ammonia and hydroxide at 58% by weight. Supply biomethanol blue indication paper equivalent sensitive to 5 to 10 parts per million ammonia greater over than 2 minutes. Period exposure pH 3.0 yellow pH 4.6 blue supply with the high range of 0 to 0.5 to 10 volume capacity lower range 5 to 700 parts per million detector ammonia corresponding sampling pump the most sensitive ammonia detectors constitute with the long range detector to improve the sensitivity of the practice shallow plastic pan at least 12 inches by 14 inches by 1/2 plan plastic container PVC with tightly closed lid. The granulated cylinder each of the volumetric measuring into at least 50 millimeters volume with accuracy of the 1 point plus or minus 1 millimeter. Safety cautions: concentrated aqueous ammonia hydroxide and corrosive volatile liquids are requiring eye, skin, respiratory protection. The person conducting the test should be the material safety data sheet for the aqueous ammonia. Since the established permissible exposure limit of the ammonia 35 parts per million to 15 minutes SDELs, only person wearing the protective pressure for the self-contained breathing apparatus the positive pressure applied with the respirator should be in the chamber. Normally only one person wearing the totally encapsulated suit with the inside of the chamber the same by itself should have the positive pressure self-contained breathing apparatus or positive pressure supply with the air respirator above and interior of the test area should be suited to individual need assistance. A method monitoring the suited individual speed during the test. Visual contact with a single, simple if the other method of the communication devices as acceptable. The test room should be large enough to allow the exercise protocol to be carried out. Then ventilate for easy. Exhaust the ammonia, add to the air of the test complete with the initial show. Immediately screen with the use of the regulatory protection, check for the allergy of the ammonia, participating with the test, pursue the process, measure the test area with the nearest foot, calculate the volume of the cubic feet, multiply test area volume with a 2/10 of a milliliter for the concentrated aqueous ammonia solution per cubic feet with the test volume of the determine an approximate value of the concentrated aqueous ammonia required generally at 1,000 parts per million. Test air with the measure the volume of the supply with the concentrated aqueous ammonia plate with enclosed with plastic container, plate with the container several high range for the ammonia detector tube with the pump and clean test band with the located with the near the test entry, the door with the tube with the individual easy access of these supplies. If non-contaminated atmosphere, open the pre-sealed ammonia indicator strip of the acid one and strip of the inside of the soup with a shield lens that can be seen with by weather wear. Moisten the indicator distilled water, but it can be shelled, but not contaminated with the detected part of the indicator paper touching with the shell. P for the magnetic tape equivalent should be attached to the indicator strip of the interior of the soup face shield. The problem encountered with the method attachment and the indicator strip that is attached to the outside of the respirator face lens will be being used during the testing. During the down respirator protective device is normally used with the top of the down total encapsulation chemical per tube with the test that can be sure they all openings contain the tube with the zipper globe and etc. Completely slowed. Do not have the plug off any venting valve. Step into the unclosed test room with the cover of the bathroom test roof with the equipped with the exhaust fan. No air should be exhausted with the chamber during the test. It will dilute the ammonia channel and concentrate. Open the container with a pre-measured volume concentrated aqueous ammonia and close the test room. Pour liquid over the empty plastic test fan 2 minutes. They all allow the adequate volatilization concentrated aqueous ammonia shell on small mixing fan can be used with the evaporating fan pan and increase the evaporation rate of the ammonia solution. After 2 minutes deterioration determination of ammonia concentration with the chamber with the machine on the high range colorimeter detector tube with a concentration of 1,000 parts per million ammonia greater should be generated before the exercise or start with the test integrity of the tube with the following 4 minutes. Of the protocol should be followed with the arms above the head with at least 15 raising motions completed in 1 minute. While walking the plate with 1 minute with at least 15 raising motions in each leg 1 minute period, touching the toe with at least 10 to complete turn motion to the arm above the head with the touching of the toes for 1 minute period. Knee bends with at least 10 complete standing with the squatting motion for the 1 minute period. If any time during the testing calometer indicator paper should chamber the cover of the test should be stopped in section 610, 612 initiated. C42 after completion of the test exercise. Test concentration should be measured using a high-range colorimeter detector tube. The extra for the test area with the opening created with the zip with the appropriate with the suit with the preparation should be used to determine ammonia concentration of the zip and the suit with the long-range length of the detector tube with the other ammonia monitor to the internal test total encapsulation chemical pursuit with the tube with the air should be sampled far enough to the enclosed testing area to prevent false ammonia reading. After completion of the measurement, suit interior ammonia concentration test can conclude with the suit with the duffel with the refrigerator, remove the ventilating vat of the test room should be determined that allowed with the run with enough time to remove the ammonia gap that shall be ventilated outside of the building. Any detectable ammonia and suit with the interior of the 5 parts per million ammonia as must be length of the strain of the stain detector tube with the other suits that have failed the test one of the ammonia detector use the larger detection possible should be specified in pass or fail criteria. Alright, by following test method, the intrusion coefficient should approximately 200 more per measure for the suit, with the complete with the operational condition with the intrusion coefficient of 200 more, but the suit is suitable for the emergency response field use. Retest procedure. If the suit failed with the test, check for the leak for the following pressure test at A with above with the retest the total encapsulation chemical protective tube with the outline test procedure 6-8. And there's a report. Each gas site and totally encapsulated chemical the tube with these and practical showing how following information is recorded the unique identification number of identifying the brand and the data preserve the material construction suitable suit feature special breathing apparatus general description test room use of the test brand name of the purchase the day of the ammonia detector strip is the color change of the brand name of the sample brand with the expiration day length with the stoma and ammonia with the detector tube the brand name model with the sample the plug pump should also be recorded and other type of the annual ammonia detector tube should be identified along with the minimum detection limit of the ammonia. Actual test result of the leaf to test air with concentrated air with the interior suit with the concentration and the calculated intrusion coefficient. Retest data should be recorded. Additional test evaluation for the data should be specified by the two of the pass over the 2 pass or sale of the day with the test detectable ammonia 5 parts per million greater than length of the same detector tube of the suit with the interior indicator so that has failed the test. And when the other ammonia detectors are lower level detector as possible, it should be specified as pass or fall criteria. Are visually inspect all the parts of the chute with ensure the properly positioned with it correctly and securely tightly before putting the chute back with it. Ensure that special care should be taken with the examine each exhaust valve to make sure that it is not blocked. Care should be extra to ensure the inside and outside of the chute is completely dry before going and put into storage. Appendix B, 1910-120, general description and discussion of the level of protection of the protective gear.